Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Right now we're sitting inside of a brand new Honda Accord Hybrid Touring trim, and we're going to be talking about the heads-up display. As you can see right up there, it's going to be showing a lot of cool information that reflects off of your windshield. But sometimes you just have to fine-tune that bad boy or change what you want to display up there. For example, when you sit in here, you get your seat adjusted. You may not see that very well. So let's show you guys how to adjust the height of that, so it'd be easy to find it. Okay. So first thing you're going to be doing is come over in the steering wheel controls. You got a little wheel action. Scroll up and down, and then you push in to select those items from there. Okay, so now we're going to be scrolling down until we see heads up display. There it is. So we got your heads up display. We'll push it in. Then you can change the context, what you want to display up there. So we can see it's going to be speed. You're going to have navigation as an option, driver's assist system. So you got your Honda sensing features. Then you can have it off. Then we're back to the speedometer. So I'm going to keep it on the speedometer. You can adjust the brightness on this. Simply scroll down. So as we're doing that, you can see how it kind of fades. Then it brightens up a little more. Then push in the wheel to select what you want. The height adjustable now is what we wanted. So now as we scroll up, guess what? It moves up. If you scroll down, it moves down. So you guys kind of get the point. So adjust your seats first, then play around a little bit with that. Then to set it, you just simply push in the wheel, and then you can rotate this just in case. So let's go to the rotate item. Scroll up. It pivots a little, and then there we go. Select so you guys see fit. And then we're set for success. Just hit the back button, then everything's done the way you need it, okay? So that's your heads-up display 101 on how to adjust it. See you guys in the next video.